How to send money on WhatsApp? Are you guys facing issues with sending money on WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on a mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner. Now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now scroll down and click on payment methods. Click on Save Bank Cards. You will be provided with two options. You are looking to send money, right? Click on Send Money. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section over here. You need to write down the amount that you want to send. Once you write it down, then click on Continue. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna send money on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.